Welcome friends to my new tutorial on how to disable email notifications on Twitter. If you're overwhelmed by the email notifications you receive about activities on Twitter, or simply want to customize your notifications according to your needs and preferences, this is the perfect guide for you. In the following steps, I will explain in detail how to turn off email notifications on the Twitter platform and free yourself from unnecessary email traffic. Without further delay, let's get started right away. First, open your Twitter application and log into your account if you haven't already. Then, tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, select the Notifications option. In this section, choose Preferences. Now simply tap on Email Notifications. Once you've reached this point, you can uncheck the notifications you don't want to receive, or if you don't want to receive any email notifications at all, simply tap the switch next to the Email Notification option at the top of the screen. Great! That's it for this short video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share it with your friends on social media. Also, if you want to stay up to date with all future content on my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive the latest video updates. See you in the next video.